YouTube better not shut us down for this one. Yep, you got that right. That really is what we're going to mix up today. But we can't get down to business just yet. First, we have to have ourselves a victory shot. As we all know, you can't round second until you get past first. Today's victory shot is Redbreast, an Irish whiskey. Make that a double. Today we're getting a little frisky in the kitchen. This drink goes by several names. Sadly, I don't think we can use the common one here on YouTube. Today we're going to mix the Angel's nip. Because we're just going to have ourselves a little nip of alcohol. The alcohol content in this drink is pretty low, so you can have two. Perhaps we'll call it a pair. It was first mixed in the Prohibition era, and it's one of several Angel cocktails, including the Angel's Blush, Angel's Dream, Angel's Face, Angel's Kiss, and of course, her nip. 1 ounce whipping cream. One and a half ounces of Maraschino liqueur. Add ice and shake. Strain it into a whipping glass, whip it up with an electric whipper, because they had these back in the 1910s. And a red cherry placed in the center. And that's the Angel's nip. Today's word of wisdom is precedent. This is when something has already been determined by a past experience or history. Usually, precedents help you make wise decisions. By knowing what you should expect, you can steer your life down the path that will leave you in the shallowest ditch. But other times, precedents leave you no room for growth. Occasionally, people do change, surprising you in moments that you least expect. Hence the surprise. However, you may never see or realize said growth, for you are viewing the situation through lenses of past experiences. And who can blame you? Time tends to repeat itself. 6:30 rolls around twice a day, without fail. And people don't change that often. You're probably wise to rely on your knowledge of precedents. Just don't let it stand in the way of noticing a change. Every once in a while, people will surprise you. Not! Bullshit! Bullshit!